Most people think you need a massive windfall to start building wealth. But the truth is, the most successful investors didn't start with millions. They started with a system. Today, we're breaking down how to build a financial foundation when your starting balance is near zero. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. We're looking at the core principles of compound interest and the pay-yourself-first model, concepts championed by financial experts for decades. According to the math of compounding, time is actually more valuable than the initial amount you invest. It's frustrating to feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck. You see the markets moving, you see others succeeding, and it feels like the door is locked because you don't have an extra $1,000 lying around. That feeling of being stuck often leads to total inaction. But the biggest risk isn't starting small. It's not starting at all. Building wealth isn't about picking the perfect stock. It's about your savings rate and consistency. If you can find a way to set aside just 10% of your income, or even 5% to start, you shift from a consumer to an owner. Wealth is the byproduct of many small, boring decisions made consistently over years, not one lucky break. Here is your actionable step. Set up an automatic transfer, even if it's only $20 a week. By automating a small contribution to a high-yield savings account or a low-cost index fund, you remove the decision fatigue. You stop wondering if you can afford to save, and you start building the habit of a wealthy person before you even have the wealth. The math doesn't lie. Those who start today with $10 often outperform those who start 5 years from now with $100. It's not about how much you have. It's about how soon you begin. Because once you master the system of starting small, you've already done the hardest part of building wealth.